Barnbuilt Motorsports, boosting bikes, you already know the deal. H2oi 2019 weekend is about to unfold. Later in this video, you guys are about to see all the madness. It's actually Thursday morning by 8 o'clock. We're getting ready to go. I got the co-pilot calling me right now. It's gonna be a crazy weekend. I know most of you guys probably watched our 2018 and maybe even our 2017 video, but we always have a blast down in Ocean City. We meet new people every year. It's an awesome time. So 10 o'clock, we're about to leave and go meet up with our boy Drew 96 and Kevin, and then we are on the road. Should be touching down in Ocean City at hopefully about 4 or 5 o'clock today. So, and just like that, we're leaving. I promised you guys I was gonna get a mic set up, so I went ahead, I ordered a Rode mic for the Canon that I use, the DSLR, and I ordered a mic setup and the GoPro mic adapter for this GoPro that I usually end up filming more of my vlog stuff on because the Canon's kind of big. UPS, as we see right in front of me, maybe this guy has my stuff, paid for 2 days shipping, but I don't know, something happened and I didn't end up getting them in time for H2oi. So guys are about to get out of here. Just fueled up the truck. We're about to hit the interstate, guys. Finally, took a little while, but we are about to hit the highway, guys. This is Haley. Oh, update, going across the GW Bridge, so we are crossing over into New Jersey. First rest stop, had to get some grub. But we're on route, man. 3 hours to go, and we'll be in the chaos. Dope. It's gonna be dope. Tell me about that. We're in New Jersey. We ran into some fellow buddies way over there. I don't know if you could see them, but they got some troubles going on with their car, sadly. But we're gonna keep it moving. We're on the home stretch. I forgot to grab a ticket. I didn't grab the ticket. I drove through the. We got some fellow H2oi goers passing us. We're about an hour out. Dude, my man gets down with it.
Yeah, you guys gotta be arguing at each other. Drew, get in the photo.
Insane. These guys.
I thought it was an electric stove, like they made through. You fucking killed that shit.
Yeah, Lock 32. Okay, guys, so it's Thursday night, and we already have a significant presence here, as you can see. It's got the just another victim today, guys. It's about 1 a.m. Let's get a little closer, guys. Take a look. I believe it. Yeah, it's a Gallardo. Didn't make it down, man. This thing is. Yeah, I do. It's nice to see him. Hell yeah, bro. Always wanted orange blast. I got a black one. Friday morning. Currently, we are about to go shoot up to about 40th Street to go park and then walk around. But we are about to do a little cruising on the strip here. Yeah, last night was wild. So many cars already, so I can imagine today is gonna get pretty crazy. Got 'em. Look at that, guys. Right as I'm starting today's little vlog here, we see someone get pulled over right in front of us. He was trying to dip on him too. You saw that, Kev?
Oh yeah.
He's tried skating on him into this parking lot.
Out of there, bro. Let's go. We're gonna put a band-aid on our bellies real quick.
First stop, we are out and about. Gotta get some food at the drive-in here. Hear that little hangover we got going on, but as you guys just saw, the strip is already absolutely lit. I mean, it's crazy. The amount of cars you see is nuts. But, the strip is packed with people and cars and cops. H2O, baby. That's it. Oh my god. This guy. Music. likes me holding on the GoPro, but Friday night it is getting rowdy. As you can see, posted up on 52nd right now. Gas station is straight taking over, but I've been getting some sick footage with this thing, man. It's about 11 o'clock. I'm all done with the Ronin. We went through a battery and a half, and now we're back to the GoPro, heading back down coastal in traffic. As you can see, it's pretty crazy here. Wow, there's a lot of cops, guys. So look at this FD. Get some midnight food here. A little hungry.
Yo, the day started, Scott. You hear that? Someone is laying a...
As you can hear, the day has started. Another burnout. Day 3, it's Saturday. Last night was wild. Got a lot of sick footage with the Ronin. Can't wait to put this video together. So far, I've gotten some pretty cool footage. I mean, the amount of people this year makes me think that there's more people here than the past 2 years I've come. Here we go. Little M4. Thick. About 11 o'clock. Everyone's getting ready to get out here, and we're gonna go get some breakfast and get the day started. Gonna keep getting some footage for you guys. This is H2oi. This is the sickest car weekend of the year for me. I love it. It's like you see everything out here. Literally every single car. Meet new people. We got a fellow Subi brother on the tow truck, but we got a Lambo coming up on our left. Driving around, we had some lunch out here in the Evo at a what looks like a car show, but it's just people parked so we can spectate all the traffic basically. So H2oi is basically just a moving car show. I swear to God, everyone just drives around all day, and there's people just standing around watching, as you can see, all day. It's packed everywhere. So we're about to post up some chairs and take in the cars. Here we go, Saturday live action, boys. We're gonna smoke down there. Sunday morning. Still so much action out here, guys. But we're about to catch some breakfast and start making our way back to Connecticut. We got a long drive ahead of us. Can you see that? Just caught a fire picture of this thing. I mean, the shit you see, we're leaving. And this is just in the parking lot of the pancake place we're about to eat at. So there's cars everywhere still.